Corsair's Dominator Platinum RGB modules are our fastest and best-looking RAM to date, featuring 12 fully customizable and ultra-bright CAPELLIX RGB LEDs. And with our iCUE software, it's super easy to get your new RAM to shine exactly how you want. So let's get to it. Once you've installed both your Dominator Platinum RGB modules and iCUE, launch the software. On the top of the main screen, click the Dominator Platinum RGB tile. On the left-hand side menu, you'll see a few options: dim setup, lighting effects, timings, graphing, and notifications. Dim setup allows you to mirror your motherboard's RAM configuration in iCUE. How many RAM slots do you have? 2? 4? 8? No problem. Just use the drop-down menu to make your selection. You can also change their orientation to ensure your lighting effects work as intended. To do this, click a module, then click the rotation button at the bottom of the selected module. Lighting effects lets you customize how your new Dominator Platinum RGB modules shine. To add a new effect, click the plus button and use the drop-down menu to make your selection. To specify which LEDs are affected by your lighting effect, click inside the image of your memory and drag the bounding box around all the LEDs you want to use, or Control plus click to select them individually. By clicking another plus button and creating a new lighting layer, you can layer lighting effects to get nearly endless options to light your system. Here's a pro tip: adjust the lighting layer transparency to see multiple layer effects at once. With graphing, you can monitor your memory's temperature, which is especially helpful with overclocked systems. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a real-time temperature graph. And finally, under the notifications option, you can trigger certain behaviors if your memory reaches or exceeds a certain temperature, such as turning all fans to 100%, changing the color of all your system's LEDs, or even turning the computer off. For more iCUE tips, head over to our community forums, subreddit, or our community Discord server, where you can download custom lighting profiles, get help with configuration, and chat with our amazing community. Thanks for watching.